Good morning. Now welcome to our third video. So LED with button. So in this Arduino connection, so what we are going to do is we are going to use a button in combination with LED, so that when the button is pressed, the LED should glow, and when the button is switched off, the LED should be off. So for this, the components required are Arduino Uno, breadboard, resistance 200 ohms, one button and one LED. So how to make the connections? So initially, when you want to see all the components, click basic. So that will display all the components in the Explorer. So drag and drop the required components, namely Arduino, resistance, button and LED. So once all the components breadboard, all the components are dragged, then we have to make the connections. So first take VCC connection 5 volts and connect to the positive of the resistor. So then the negative of the resistor is connected to the positive of the button, and the negative of the button is connected to the LED positive anode. LED anode. The LED cathode is connected to the negative, from negative to the ground. So that is completing the circuit. So in order to activate and write the code for the button, so connect the positive of the button to the pin number 3. Similarly, the LED anode is connected to digital pin 9. So after making all the connections, so we can check our code by clicking the code button. Okay, so the code button will be displaying the code. So we can start the simulation by pressing the start simulation. Then once if you press the button, the LED glows. So the button is continuously pressed, so the LED is glowing. Okay, so when I switch off, it automatically switches off the LED. The current flow is switched off and the LED stops glowing. So similarly, we can do lot of varieties of circuit connections using the Arduino board. So in our next class, what we will see is how to connect a photoresistor with a DC motor using a slider bar. So once the slider bar is moved, the DC motor rotates and it can be observed. It can be observed clearly that the motor is rotating and the circuit is functioning. So like that, lot of applications like traffic lights, then proximity, PIR, motion sensor, all other sensors and other applications we can simulate using Tinkercad. So Tinkercad is very useful to do a variety of Arduino Uno programs. Okay, whatever program we are writing, that code we can observe. Okay, here it is giving the C++ code. Okay, void setup pin mode 13, digital mode high or low, and it is assigned. Okay, so this type of code directly we can write and run in the Arduino IDE also without the use of Tinkercad. So there are lot of tools to do simulations. So Tinkercad is one such useful tool to do Arduino applications. So directly, if Arduino Uno board is available, we can take all the required components. Circuit can be connected using the breadboard, and we can simulate this button experiment. Okay, thank you very much. Any questions?